You want to come here again?
No.
Look what you can find when you just wander. Feels so cool, right? Mm.
Hey! What?
Late again, same old me. Lost the day before I found my keys. I trip on planes I'll never keep. Blame it on my ADD. So give it up now for the loser. Give it up now for me. And may all the uncrowned rulers rest in peace. Kill the ghost within your soul. Give it all you got, let go. Time's up to say goodbye. Take the fall and dry your eye. Free the child you used to be. Let your heart beat honestly. Time to learn how to forgive. Take what's gone and learn to live.
Okay, where are we going, you guys?
Going to the waterfall. Going to the lighthouse.
Waterfall!
Oh.
It's been many years since I've been to this waterfall, Nam Waterfall. Have you ever seen a waterfall, Luke? Oh, yeah? With who?
I think I remember. And Dad.
Really?
Yeah, I think Leon and Lyla.
Should we buy some fish food? Okay, we're going to feed the fish first. Now the question is, will there be water in the waterfall?
Wait, let me hold it.
What's your prediction?
I think there's going to be water. Because look, that kid's hair is wet.
That kid right there?
Wait, Leon. Yeah, it's waterfall. Oh my god. Oh my god. And then the duck.
You swim there?
No. I'm terrified.
Yeah.
Are there big fish in there?
Yes. Oh, there is something hiding.
Oh my gosh, looks like a freaking
I
shark.
could probably swallow Lyla.
Oh my
And
gosh,
eat
Lyla,
one
do you
of
see
the
this big fish?
Look at the baby fish. See?
Lyla, you see that big fish? You saw it? See it?
Oh!
What kind?
The big one? What do you see? Oh, it's a big one, right?
Big one. Oh, it's the big one.
Yeah, we're gonna climb up, okay?
Wait, what about this? We just dump it all? And they're already full.
What?
Want to go to Hana?
We're gonna go really high. We're gonna go to the top.
Kid.
Just a
We
little
can
bit
do it.
high. Just a little bit higher.
Careful.
Just a little bit higher, right?
Can we go high? I want to go. I want
Yeah.
to go. Wow! Look at this. It's an adventure. Maybe it's just right here. Can you take them off? Be careful!
Alright, come on. Is the water cold?
Nice.
Careful.
I fall.
It's slippery. It's slippery, so make sure you're careful. Go slow. Whoa! Oh my gosh, it is slippery.
I'm always gonna lift you up. I'm always gonna fill your cup. I'm always gonna be there for you.
Doesn't look like a waterfall.
It doesn't look like a waterfall. Well, Daddy doesn't want us to walk up higher. The higher you go, the more the water falls down. Do you want to walk up high?
No.
It's hard. It can be slippery and dangerous. You ready to go? You ready to go?
I don't like this waterfall. It has too much water and too much.
I had to try to pull Leon up here. We went through these windy rocks. And he's a big boy. Can you tell me where you're watching from in the comment section? And if you're new to our channel,
Subscribe to my channel.
Leon, was that hard?
I'll always show support. I'll always open your door. I'll always make time for you.
off your clothes.
Swapped? It's like
Yeah,
swap?
swap. Like this.
I'll always make you laugh. I'll always check your map. I'll always look out for you.
Luke is having an amazing time, and his friend Sunshine as well. Leon is a little bit scared. Lila's more adventurous. Leon's just scared. Are you having fun? Lila, are you having fun? Leon's not having fun? Leon gets scared first time, but he'll be brave next time, right? You just gotta practice.
Can anyone stop the noise that's inside my head? Boy, they keep telling me things, horrible things about you. I remember what they used
Yeah, you got it, Leon. You just gotta practice. Good job, Leon.
to say. You should count to 10.
Use your hands. Yeah. This is so much fun?
Yeah.
How much fun?
Too much. Too much.
Oh, you cleaned it. You're so helpful.
Oh, it's still big.
Yeah.
Very for you, big. Cool. Oh, hey! What?
Throw it.
Can I get it?
We're just relaxing, absorbing the good frequency vibes of nature. Right, Leon?
Yeah.
You like it? This is what we're looking at. It's so beautiful.
Make the video go to Thunder Kwan so Thunder Kwan can see it.
Who?
Thunder Kwan.
Dr. Kwong? What do you say about Dr. Kwong? Oh, you want Dr. Kwong to see this?
Yeah.
What will he say?
I don't know.
Go look for some crystal in a pile of dirt and rock, sweating, but then you find a little piece of crystal.
Dr. Kwong is our Vietnamese friend, right? From America. Yeah, he lives in New Orleans. He brought me to Asia the first time. That's how I met Daddy. He brought me to Vietnam, and then I came into Thailand, and I met Daddy on the beach. You know that? And the rest is history. Then I had you, or I had Luke and you and Lyla. Say thanks, Dr. Kwong.
Don't think too much.
You want to come here again?
No.
You want to come here tomorrow?
No. I'm gonna go back to the water. I'm gonna go to a slider. What's the name that I call it, a slider?
Huh? The water park?
Water park. Sorry.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I started.
This is a cute restaurant right next to the waterfall. Mikasa. Mikasa Sukasa. Dessert. That looks good. Chocolate cake. But it opens up to this amazing back. Look how what you can find when you just wander. elephant. Yeah. Elephant. Namong waterfall is in the south and close to Natom. You knew about it? You knew about this restaurant?
I passed before. I look.
You passed this restaurant before, but did you know it opened up back
I
here?
know they have inside here. That's why I don't go this one.
Yeah, I had no idea that they had a nice restaurant like this here for foreigners. It's kind of definitely more for foreigners. Their menu is so nice. The menu has like Western food, Thai food, Northern Thai food, Vietnamese crepes. But the waterfall.
We didn't see the water.
I mean the water. The water. I think. Oh, so you didn't like it?
I liked it.
Okay, so can you just say
I liked it.
you didn't think it was anything special? Luke, I know he had fun. He looked like he was having fun. I asked him what he thought about the waterfall, but he said he didn't see a waterfall. I think he's disappointed he didn't walk up higher. But we couldn't walk up high with Leon and Lyla.
Only in sunshine.
Next time. See, this is what you have. Kids,
Dad,
they're never satisfied. Even when they are happy, they never admit it. Why can't we do a fake face or a fake thing? Be like, it was so much fun. What do you think of the waterfall? Honest opinion. Oh, it was great. See, he thought it was great.
Mommy, what do you like?
Yeah. What did you think of the waterfall? I'm gonna have the Vietnamese crepe.
So cool. Look like angel. I want to see that.
This reminds me of a restaurant that you would see in Chiang Mai. We went to a lot of these restaurants where it's like covered with the forest. This is Chiang Mai style.
You can do the lantern.
Lanterns, yeah. Out in nature.
That's like Chiang Mai lantern.
I'm ready to go back to Chiang Mai. You ready?
Yeah.
Yeah, Lila's ready. Are you guys ready? You ready to go to Chiang Mai?
Sometimes you never go Chiang Mai.
Have you been to Chiang Mai?
They have hot spring water.
Remember the hot spring?
Hot spring.
That wasn't here.
It was in Chiang Mai, in the Pai actually. Vietnamese crepe. I don't know if this looks really Vietnamese, but
I want this one.
yeah.
Hey, you gotta take two of them. No,
This is
you're
soft.
lying. Like this one, but this one tastes so good, right? Look at this. It's so bad.
For the pickle, look.
I like this one and the picture.
You have to put the pickle.
It's not the same as Vietnam, but
Hey, you said it's so
pretty
bad.
good. Lighter, it's refreshing.
You did see the
In Vietnam, it's definitely more fried with oil.
Oh,
This is not oily.
Come on. Ice cream. This
It's a
ice
nice light appetizer.
No, this ice cream. Because it has so much ice cream. He's gonna take all the ice cream. I'll show you.
two.
Yeah, get two. Look and sunshine.
And Leon and Lyla. You like it?
Bacon.
Which one?
Does that look yummy?
Can I have bacon?
No. Leon, do you want to come back to the waterfall?
I want to come here again.
Oh, you want to come to this restaurant?
Yeah.
You like this restaurant?
Yeah. That's the best. I love it.
You love it too?
Yeah. You guys missed out.
Wow, what is that, a salmon bowl?
What?
Luke wants it.
Have it. Yeah. Yes, Mommy.
There's a doggy here. I'm scared of dogs. I'm scared of kitty cats.
Wow. Order everything.
Do tomorrow. You want to come back here? I thought you said you didn't like it very much.
Because we only went in one area and then one area and I only got to do the slide one time. Hey, Leon, you're gonna hold me! Oh my goodness.
Look at that.
I order. No, can I come in? Hey,
Oh, you want some?
Yeah. You order.
Oh, it's nice and light.
You gonna give me?
Is there a layer in it or am I tripping? No, there's no layer. I'm gonna eat this cake in peace or these vultures gonna come get it. Mmm, it's soft.
A duck eating cake.
It's like a sponge cake chiffon.
It's like a
Wow.
sponge. Holy shit.
How about like pudding?
Good. It's good. Why not keep it? And I already ordered my dessert. It's right there.
Wow, those are big ice creams.
This is cool here.
Pretty happy.
Oh my goodness, that's so fun.
Man, if you're a good boy when you grow up, I'm gonna buy you this car.
No. Run.
What, you're not happy?
Run. 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 Subscribe to our channel.
Leon,
What?
did you think of that waterfall?
I don't like.
You didn't like it, why?
I liked it. I didn't like it.
How come you said you didn't like it when
Look how we only just stay in one area.
you liked it so much that you didn't like it? Are you grateful? I think kids are not going to be grateful if you're not grateful, because our children are generally a reflection of ourselves, right? And so I've been practicing gratitude so I can instill gratitude in these boys. And I am grateful that I have 2 wonderful sons. And what are you grateful for, Leon?
I'm grateful for Luke's not sitting on the ground. He's sitting on the showcase.
You're grateful for that? You're grateful that he has wheels. I am grateful that I have legs and I can walk.
And Luke has wheels, and he does not walk.
Luke, what are you grateful for?
I'm grateful for the suitcase.
It's not really a suitcase now, it's just a wheeler.
I can do a wheelie whee.
Okay, everybody, please subscribe to our channel and say God bless you.
Yes, dear.
Lucas.